Hi guys, so today we have Toyota Corolla Fielder. The problem with this car is the side mirror has a crack. Not the side mirror, the actual indicator has a crack. So we are going to take it off and fix it, and let's see how we do it. Alright, the first step to remove this is we remove this mirror first. So how we do it, we can use a pry tool. If you don't have a plastic one, make sure you mask your sides because you can actually scratch it. So we don't want to scratch it, so what we normally do, we use a pry tool, go from the side and then pull it off. So I'm gonna use this pry tool to pull it off. So let's see if we can do it. There we go. Just hold it from the side and just pull it off. There we go, it's off. And there we go. See, easy to take it off. So yeah, make sure it's not damaged. Okay, so now we need to take this bracket off. So we got a one star screw. We'll remove that, and then I think we can then pull this plastic off, and then we will have access to remove this. Gonna unscrew this. Just be gentle because there is this groove that goes in on the bottom. Just gently trying to pull it off. Yep, there we go. That's out, and that is enough. Okay, so there is a clip here that actually holds the light, the side indicator. So we need to pull that down so that it unlocks the position. So if you see that, that's coming out now. There we go, so this is now out. We just need to pull this plug off. There we go. Okay, we will slide the new plug in. Okay, just make sure it works. So we'll try to turn the heads-up lights on. That it's working. So now we can slide that in and close it off. This thing comes out. Don't pull it too hard because you can break. Don't want to break this, so just slide it off nicely. Now let's put this one first, this one back, like that. There is a clip there. Just make sure that it goes in correctly, which it does. Then we will kind of put the cover back. Yep, nice and easy. Okay, so it's all done. Screws set in. Yep, there you go. Now let's put the bracket back. Have to put this one on the bottom. So we'll put this on the bottom one first. So that'll go like so. Oops. There we go. Yep, the bottom goes first and then the top.
Now goes the mirror.
Just make sure that it matches the shape, and then we just go right. And make sure this one and this one lines up. See, you got 4 different grooves where your clip goes on. So you go like that. If you line up 2 of them, the rest will fit. Yep, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and it's It's not that hard, man. It's really easy. Just make sure you have the right tools. Don't try to use your screwdrivers or anything which is made of metal. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below. Thank you.